Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add cool stickers to photos. So let's get started. So if you're trying to add cool stickers to your photos, now to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. So you can add cool stickers to your photos through some applications. So you can do it through WhatsApp. So what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application, and after opening up your WhatsApp application, now try to send a person a photo. So for example, I would like to send this person a photo and then add cool stickers on it. So what I can do is just simply open up the photo that I want to send, and after opening it, now you will find stickers option which is on the top. So just tap on it, and from here you can add any sticker that you like. So after adding it, just simply size it and then tap on send, and you will add the cool sticker to that specific photo that you have sent. So you can do it through your WhatsApp, you can do it through your Instagram or through your Telegram. So now if you just open up your Telegram application and then try to send a person a photo, then you can also send a sticker attached to it. So just simply tap on it, and from here in the bottom you will find a brush type icon. Just simply tap on that and then tap on stickers, and in Telegram you can add a live sticker to, and in Telegram you can add any live sticker that you want. So here you can see you can add this live sticker, and after adding it, it will change to a video. So after adding a live sticker, your photo will turn to a GIF file. So it will turn to a GIF. And now if you want to send it, then what you can do is just simply tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right and then tap on send. And after doing that, here you can see guys, your photo has been sent with that cool sticker on it. So you can do it with these applications. So this feature is pre-built, but if you can't find this feature, or if you want to add some other stickers, then what you can do is just simply use the application which you can find in Play Store. So just simply open up your Play Store application, and after opening up your Play Store application, now you can download Pixlr. So in search bar you can search for Pixlr. So after searching for Pixlr, you will find this application. What you have to do is just simply install it, and after installing this application, now you can add stickers, cool emojis, photos on your video. So just simply go ahead and then do this, and you can add cool stickers on your photos. So that's it guys, this is how to add cool stickers to photo. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.